Hi guys, Ben here from Coinstothemoon. So we have a website where you can watch crypto tutorials. We have 5 trading tips for beginners, how to trade crypto, how to dollar cost average and take profits. We also have tools here on how to calculate your profits. We have a very engaging group on Telegram. We have a YouTube channel. And then when you scroll down, we have applications that can help you find the best wallets and exchanges, trackers, and then other YouTubers that you can follow. For today's video, we're gonna talk about crypto supply. There's 3 types of supply, which is fixed supply, inflationary, and deflationary, and then how to determine the price of the crypto token or the crypto coin. So one best example for the fixed supply is Bitcoin. There will only be 21 million Bitcoins that will be available in the market. So that's the reason why most institutions or most investors who are familiar with crypto are going with Bitcoin. So as you can see, it's the #1 coin in CoinGecko in CoinMarketCap. And then it's been traded around 58 billion daily. And then the market cap is 1 trillion. To calculate the market cap, it's the price of the coin multiplied by the circulating supply. So if we go to our calculator, so let's type 21,000 multiplied by the circulating supply, we can see that it matches the market cap. So that's how you calculate the market cap. So basically, it's the price multiplied by the circulating supply. The second crypto supply type is inflationary. The best example for this one is Ethereum. The max supply is unlimited because most of the projects are running on top of Ethereum, such as Aave, Synthetics, Uniswap, Unitokens. They don't really know what the maximum supply is, so it keeps on growing. Another example is the USD Tether. As long as there's dollars being printed and dollars being bought into USDT, this one keeps on rising as well. Lastly, deflationary. So this is the token where the total supply keeps on deducting when you use. One example is Binance. Binance, it started as $200 million and then they keep on burning. Each time they receive fees, because you use BNB when you exchange on Binance as fees, and then you also use it on the Binance Smart Chain. And then they have a quarterly burn. All the fees that they receive from using BNB, they burn it. Every quarter, this is their burn rate, as you can see here. As long as they don't reach the supply of 100 million, they would keep on burning. So from 200 million down to 100 million. This is important because the more scarce the coin is, the more that the price will go up, because scarcity is always a good thing because people will fight over the supply. So let's say, for example, one of our favorite coins is GRT. GRT is a really strong project. It's the Google or SQL of blockchain. They have 10 billion supply, and look at the price. It's really low. And another project we can look at is Chainlink. Chainlink has a billion of supply, and then the price is also low, although it's a very, very strong project. And then another example is YFI. YFI is another project by Andre Cronje, and their max supply is only 36,666, and look at the price. It's around $36,000. What usually determines the price? So usually I look at, for me, it's 3 things. One is utility. So the more people using the project, the more that it's expensive. So as you can see it here on Bitcoin, it's one of the most traded coin out there. The #1 cryptocurrency. It's the first cryptocurrency that was released. And then, of course, the project. So Ethereum is #2. And Ethereum, even though it has an unlimited supply, it goes up to 1,775 because of its utility. Ethereum is popular for ERC20, where you can create your own token on top of Ethereum. And then majority of the projects now are running on top of Ethereum. So if you go to DeFi Pulse, so there's so many projects that run on top of Ethereum, such as MakerDAO, Compound, Aave, SushiSwap, Curve Finance, Uniswap, Synthetics, and a lot more. So there's so many projects that run on top of Ethereum. So that's the reason why even though it has a limited supply, so many people are trading it, so many people are using it or holding it. The coin is pumping really hard. And lastly, of course, the teams. Of course, the project will only have trading volume and utility if the project, if the team behind it is really strong. So Ethereum, Polkadot, Chainlink, GRT, Aave, Uniswap. If you can see their coins, it's really high because of the team behind it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. So don't forget to visit our website at www.coinstothemoon.com, and then please like this video, share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.